Matt Furlong with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're taking a look at a brand new 2021 Harris 230 Sunliner. This is a fantastic pontoon, gorgeous looking color setup. This is going to have performance level 2, so we're going to have a full third tune underneath here. This pontoon is going to be black exterior. We have the silver rails with it. Really nice clean look. Up on the top here we've got a 12-foot bimini, so you've got great coverage area for you and your guests when you're out on the pontoon this summer when it's nice and hot out. This is also going to be equipped with, as you can see on the side here, the quick connects for your fenders. As we come around the back of the pontoon, take a look here. We're going to have a 200 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke engine. This is also going to have the digital throttle system. Great setup, ski tow bar on here. Really nice look to it. Let's go onto this pontoon. We'll take a look at the inside and see what this has to offer. Alright, so like I mentioned, we've got the 200 horsepower Mercury engine on here, nice ski tow bar. As we go around the back here, we're also going to have a nice deep stainless steel ladder that drops down, giving you ease of access to get on and off the pontoon. We have flip up cleats on the corners, so you don't have to worry about catching your toes. They tuck great down. You're also going to have some nice cup holders here with a part of the new design change on this pontoon. So when you're hanging out on the back of the boat in the summer, you've got some cup holders to the back. The Sunliner's also got these nice inlays, so inside here you're going to have cup holders. You're also going to have power points in here as well. So you've got spots all over this pontoon to be able to charge up your accessories like your tablets and your phones. Kids, you know, even though you're on the water, they still want to use them. Another feature of the Sunliner is going to be your drop-down armrests, and you're going to have that throughout the seating setup. This is going to be a center walk-through design with the dual helm chairs. So this is also going to have the nice high backs on these, nice comfortable chairs, great for families and getting out when it's a couple going out for a lot of the time, so you've both got a nice comfortable chair to be in, so neither one of you is sitting, you know, sideways that way. Looking through here, we're gonna have, this is gonna be equipped with, you're gonna have Fusion Bluetooth stereo on here. So this is going to be set up so you can, you know, hook up all your iPhones and everything else that you're ready to go. Wireless charging pad, giving you the ability to just set your phone on there, charge it up. Going to have the Lowrance depth finder on here, so you're going to have some graphing capabilities that's going to give you the ability to, you know, do a little bit of fish locating if you're taking the kids out, do a little fishing. We've got the movable cup holder in the front here as well, so it's kind of handy. You can move it around either side, move it to the back, you know, depending on your guest scenario and how many people you have out on the pontoon with you for the day. Looking through here, we're also going to, one thing I had touched on before too is with this is going to be a full digital throttle setup. There is no cable actuation, so it's really nice, advanced. This is a very well set up pontoon with the 200 horsepower engine, the performance level package. This is going to be a great setup for getting the family up, going tubing and skiing, really getting some good activity time in on the water. If you want to give us a call here in Rogers MarineMax, schedule an appointment, come in and check out this great pontoon. Thank you.